Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 8, that is winds, storms and cyclones. मोस्ट ऑफ द कीवर्ड्स को मैं डायग्राम से समझाऊंगी एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में बता दूंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को ठीक से समझ पाए और आंसर को सही तरीके से लिख पाए. So first keyword is anemometer. An anemometer is a device used for measuring wind speed and direction. It is also a common weather station instrument. The term is derived from the Greek word anemos, which means wind, and is used to describe any wind speed instrument used in meteorology. Now next keyword, cyclone. A cyclone is a system of winds rotating counter-clockwise in the northern hemisphere around a low pressure center. The swirling air rises and cools, creating clouds and precipitation. There are two types of cyclones, middle latitude cyclones and tropical cyclones. Next keyword is hurricane. This line is important for hurricane and cyclone. Cyclone and hurricane both are basically the same thing, but are given different names depending on where they appear. So, a hurricane is a tropical cyclone that occurs in the Atlantic Ocean and northeastern Pacific Ocean. Next keyword is lightning. A bright flash of light that appears in the sky during a storm and is usually followed by thunder. Next keyword is tornado. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from the thunderstorm to the ground. Next keyword is wind flow pattern. The surface of the earth close to the equator gets maximum sunlight and the poles get least amount of sunlight. This flow of the wind acquires a pattern on earth called the wind flow pattern of earth. Next keyword is low pressure. A low pressure area is a region where the air pressure is lower than that of the surrounding locations. Next keyword is monsoon winds. A monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing or strongest wind of a region. Monsoons cause wet and dry seasons throughout much of the tropics. Next keyword is pressure. Pressure is defined as the physical force exerted on an object. Next and last keyword is thunderstorms. A thunderstorm, also known as an electrical storm or a lightning storm, is a storm characterized by the presence of lightning and its acoustic effect on the Earth's atmosphere, known as thunder. Now questions answers. Fill the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statements. So first statement is wind is dash air. Answer will be moving. Next statement, winds are generated due to dash heating on the earth. Answer will be unequal. Next statement, near the earth's surface, dash air rises up where dash air comes down. Answer will be hot and cold. For this space, answer will be hot. For this space, answer will be cold. Next statement, air moves from a region of dash pressure to a region of dash pressure. Answer will be high and low. For this space, answer will be high. For this space, answer will be low. Now question number 2. Suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. It means दो मेथड आपको सजेस्ट करना है जिससे आपको दिए हुए प्लेस का विंड डायरेक्शन पता चले. So answer, method 1. Take a handful sand particles and allow it to fall slowly from your hand. It will flow in the direction in which the wind is blowing. Method 2. By using a wind clock, we can find the direction of wind. Now question number 3. State two experiences that made you think that air exert pressure other than those given in the text. It means आपको दो experiences बताना है जिससे आप सोच सकते हो कि air pressure exert करता है, लेकिन वो दोनों मेथड आपके बुक में ना दिया हो. Answer, experience 1. A hollow glass tube is half immersed in water. The upper open end of the tube is pressed by the thumb and it is taken out. Yet water does not fall down. Now experience 2. We can drink soft drinks with the help of a straw. In this time, when air is sucked from the straw, the pressure in the straw decreases. So, the soft drink rises up from the bottle. Now question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. इट मीन्स आप एक हाउस खरीदना चाहते हो, क्या आप ऐसा चाहोगे कि आपके हाउस में विंडोज हो लेकिन वेंटिलेटर्स ना हो? अपने आंसर को एक्सप्लेन करो। आंसर, अ हाउस हैविंग विंडोज बट नो वेंटिलेटर्स should not be bought. This is because warm air, being lighter than cold air, rises up. If there are no ventilators, then the warm air cannot go out easily. Now question number 5. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. It means hanging banners और hoarding में holes क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? Explain करो। Answer, air exert pressure. Holes are made in hanging banners and hoarding to allow air to pass through them, as a result of which there will be less pressure of air on the banners or hoardings, so that hanging banners and hoarding do not get torn. Now question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village or town? It means आप अपने नेबर को कैसे हेल्प करोगे यदि आपके विलेज में या टाउन में साइक्लोन आ गया हो? Answer, we will help our neighbors in case cyclone approaches our village or town as, first point, we will help them to shift essential households domestic animals to safer places. Second point, we will have facilities for cyclone prediction and forecasting which can give cyclone warning in advance. Third point, we will give quick information and communication linkage so that information can be spread quickly. Now question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? It means cyclone की created situation को deal करने के लिए पहले से क्या planning होनी चाहिए? Answer, first point, we should not ignore the warning issued by the meteorological department through TV, radio or newspapers. Second point, we should make necessary arrangement to shift the essential household goods, domestic animals and vehicles etc. to safer places. Third point, keep ready the phone numbers of all emergency services like police, fire brigade and medical centers. Now question 8 and question 9 are MCQ. So question 8. Which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? First option Chennai, second option Mangaluru or Bangalore, third option Amritsar, fourth option Puri. Answer will be Amritsar. Now next and last question. Which of the statement given below is correct? First option, in winter the wind flows from the land to the ocean. Second option, in summer the wind flow from the land towards the ocean. Third option, a cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. Fourth option, the coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. Answer will be, in winter the winds flow from the land to the ocean. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।